Welcome back. Brother Reigns here. Please run us up on these likes because I'm going to share something with you that's going to change your life financially. So, welcome back to my 100K challenge, guys. And today I hit the holy grail. I could have gotten to another play, which is this one right here. It's called, everybody, and you probably heard of this play before. It's called Oracle. Not the play, but you heard the stock before. It's pretty known, Oracle. And Oracle was getting ready to have earnings, and it just went crazy. I could have gotten the play yesterday, but I wasn't thinking because I was too busy into one play. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I'm driving. I was too busy in a play that I'm about to share with you now. And this play made me well over almost $500. It was well over 500, but when it pulled back, I kind of got out of it because I felt that it was getting ready to do a big pullback, and I felt like that from the technical analysis that I was studying on, I felt that it wouldn't have made it back up as high as it did. Because when a stock normally pulls back from hitting a really high end, normally, sometimes, the stock will do, like, it's called lower highs. That means it's go down and it does this and it keeps going down like a stair step. Like a stair step. So, I got out when I can because I felt like I was way into profits. I was over 100, like almost 200% in profit. And then I got out, so that was a winning trade, a good trade that I profit from. And then I got back in. I did some Chewy puts. And y'all know Chewy, the dog food company, is the, hope I don't get flack, but you know, the Bow Wow food company. So, they deliver to your houses. Y'all know who I'm talking about. So, I got into some put options, actually, where I feel that the market's going to go down because it always go down during earnings. I looked at it last year in earnings and the earnings before, and I like to do my research. Like you say, you got to do your own due diligence. And when I did my own research, I said, wait a minute, this thing went down the last earnings and the earnings after that and the earnings after that. And so my technical analysis and from the history of it, I knew it was going to go back down again. And so I went ahead and did a put option, and I made this within minutes. And so now, guys, I'm going to share something with you. So watch this whole video, this stock that's going to go crazy, and I'm going to get into it tomorrow. And I highly recommend you to get into it. If you don't know how to do options, I highly recommend you to at least buy these shares, okay? You could buy these shares if you have the funds. It's kind of high. You don't even have to buy the whole share or shares. You can just buy into it by dollar amount. Like if you have $10, $20, put it in here. It's going to change your life. And this is stock I'm going to share with you after I finish this video. So now, as I made $528 total, okay? Total, $528. I said, okay, I'm done for today. I did my 2 trades, and that's what I do. I'm a journal it tonight. I did 2 trades, and it happened this morning. And it happened when I went and got back into my portfolio, I was already up 70%. And I'm like, whoa, this about to go. And it just kept going. Every few seconds, it was going by 5% every few seconds. It kept going by the 5s. So every few seconds, it kept going by the 5s. And so since it was doing that, I'm like, man, this stock is just going to keep going. I believe. And then I looked at my technical analysis on it, and I looked at my time frame. I looked at the 4-hour time frame, the weekly, and then I looked at, the 30-minute, 15-minute. I started looking at my time frames because I wanted to make sure and double check, like, man, this stock is going to go. And it went. And then after I knew it was going to go, I was like, okay, it's time to get out. And when I got out, sorry, I'm driving, focusing on driving too. So after I got out, I was done for the day. So I like to do 2 trades. I journal it and I'm going to journal it. I said that already. And now, guys, I am in this one stock I'm about to share with you that it's not too late. It's not too late to get in. So you could get in, you could buy some shares, but I would probably, buy a little shares here and there and wait for a pullback to buy some shares. But it's called Lyft, right? Y'all know what Lyft is, the car app, taxi. So that being said, and guys, I'm up in Lyft. Look, I'm already up, and this is a swing trade again. Guys, I noticed that swing trades make you a lot of money, and it's a blessing. And with this funds that I'm making, I'm gonna just give back to the community, give back to God, give what belongs to God, give what belongs to Caesar, which is taxes. So that being said, since I'm up now, let me share with you this one stock I believe is going to go higher. And I looked at the history of this stock, right? The history of this stock was around over almost $600 for this stock, okay? And unfortunately, the CEO passed. God, prayers with him and his family. I pray God peace over his family. And unfortunately, that happened and the stock dropped. But now the stock, I looked at my technical analysis and the stock is climbing. I believe from the technical analysis, the key levels of what I'm seeing, I believe that it's going to hit a good number. It might not hit 600. Then again, it might hit 600 and go past it. But I believe it's going to at least hit 5. I believe it's going to get into the high 4s and 5s, okay? So this stock is called United Health, ticker symbol UNH, United Health. It's right here, guys. Look at it. It's right here. It's about to, I believe it's going to go crazy. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to get in it for a swing. I'm going to go way out the money. What that means is that I'm going to go, because it's cheaper. If you go out the money, like way up out the money, contracts are cheaper. I'm going to go maybe, the contract, if you go out the money, the contracts is cheaper. But if you try to go into the money closer, it's expensive. So I might do a good, maybe a $480 call. I'm going to go somewhere up that level so I know I'll make money in a continuous rise. And I'm going to make money. And I'm going to share with you after I do it too, guys. I'm going to share with you my results. But right now, I'm sharing with you my results as I am in Lyft right now. I believe that Lyft is going to go a little bit higher. And once I see I'm already up. I'm already up over 15%. I usually like to give myself 20% and get out. Now, with the technical analysis and key levels, key patterns, and my confluences, if it's going to go higher than my 20%, then I start looking at 5%. Every 5%, I'll look at it like 5%, 5%. And if I believe that it don't hit my 5% target, then I'll get out. If I believe that it's going to have a pullback and I see I do my charting and I see my key levels and I see that it's going to pull back, then I'm getting out. And then I'm going to just take my profit, my little 20%. But that's how you do it. You gotta be mentally ready, and it's a psychological thing. Do not put emotions in the way, I learned, and then just do 2 trades. I learned that. And if I lose my first trade, I'm not trading no more. Because I noticed that when I lose my first trade, my emotions get involved. And I'm like, no, man. And it's called, they got like special words that they use and special grammar that they use in stock trading or stock investing. This is called do not chase. It says do not chase or FOMO, which is fear of missing out, or don't chase. Because if you chase, you can mess up. If you do FOMO, fear of missing out, you can mess up. And there's another one, it's called one called FOMO, fear of missing out, one called don't chase, and the other one is called revenge trading. That's the main thing I was talking about, revenge trading. Trading revenge is using your emotions, and you can lose more than what you put in. And you want to do risk management. I learned that as well. So I just want to share this with you guys, and I'm going to share with you tomorrow my investments up to 100K. And right now I'm at over 700K or $700 right now, and this is day 3. I'm over $700, roughly around 7 something. I'll give you the full numbers at the end of the week. So right now I'm around 7 something, and this is day 3. So please like and subscribe. I hope this video helped y'all guys and give you some education on how you can be a stock investor, trader, day trader, swing trader, and retire in 10 years. I love you guys, and I talk to you tomorrow. God bless.